Scientists have made a shocking discovery: the Earth's magnetic field is weakening. The magnetic field is vital for life on our planet, as it shields us from cosmic radiation and charged particles emitted from the Sun. A large region of reduced magnetic intensity has been observed between Africa and South America, called the South Atlantic Anomaly, and it has formed a center of minimum intensity in just 5 years. Research sign that Earth is heading to a pole reversal, which is when the North and South poles switch places, and the last time this occurred was 700 years ago. The anomaly is wreaking havoc on satellites and other spacecraft flying through the area, as many are experiencing technical malfunctions. If the poles are in the process of reversing, it will happen over several thousand years, according to scientists, who say it's unlikely the field will disappear completely. The biggest impact of a magnetic field reversal will be on birds, turtles and other creatures that use the field to navigate. North on a compass will also point to Antarctica rather than Canada. The discovery was made by a team at the European Space Agency, ESA, who pulled data from the agency's Swarm constellation, which is a cluster of satellites. The satellites are specifically designed to identify and measure the different magnetic signals that make up Earth's magnetic field, allow experts to spot areas that have weakened. ESA has been studying the magnetic field since the end of 2013. The mission is comprised of 3 identical satellites that provide high-quality measurements of field in 3 different orbital planes. Jürgen Motzke, from the German Research Center for Geosciences, said, "The new, eastern minimum of the South Atlantic Anomaly has appeared over the last decade and in recent years is developing vigorously. We are very lucky to have the Swarm satellites in orbit to investigate the development of the South Atlantic Anomaly. The challenge now is to understand the processes in Earth's core driving these changes. The weakened field has been on the radar of experts for years. They know that it has lost 9% of its intensity over the last 200 years. However, an even larger area of weakness has recently developed between Africa and South America. ESA says this isn't a cause for alarm, adding that the intensity dip in the South Atlantic occurring now is well within what is considered normal levels of fluctuations. After analyzing data collected by Swarm, the team found that between 1970 and 2020, the strength in this region has depleted from around 24,000 nanoteslas to 22,000. However, what is more puzzling is that the anomaly has grown and moved westward at a pace of around 12 miles per hour. In addition, the team found that in just the last 5 years a center of minimum intensity has formed southwest of Africa, suggesting the South Atlantic Anomaly could split into 2 separate cells. The shift doesn't happen just overnight, but slowly occurs over the course of a few hundred or even thousand years. And when this happens, multiple north and south magnetic poles pop up all around the Earth. One theory for the weakened field is that the Earth may be heading into a pole reversal, which has happened in the past, and the researchers say we are long overdue, as it takes place roughly every 250,000 years. The last time the poles reversed was some 780,000 years ago, and then the event nearly happened 40,000 years back. According to the researchers, one of the reasons scientists don't know much about the magnetic history of the South Atlantic Anomaly region of Earth is because they don't have enough archaeomagnetic data, physical evidence of magnetism in Earth's past, preserved in rocks. However, the team is saying the anomaly is not a reason to sound the alarm, but satellites and spacecraft flying in the weakened area can experience technical malfunctions. The speculation of a pole reversal has recently been spotted by researchers from the UK and Denmark. The team found that the North Pole has been moving closer to Siberia at a frantic pace due to 2 writhing lobes of magnetic force in the Earth's core, research has suggested. It went from shifting 9 miles at most to as much as 37 miles in a year from 1999 to 2005, suggests the study that was published this month.